Subject.
Hi guys, my name is Chris Gerson Terence from 1.6 BSHM. We're going to STS subject next class. We are in third floor. Room 306. We are here in room 306. Hi guys. Hi guys. We are gonna watch film in STS. Today we are here in 306 in STS. We are gonna watch film in STS. Hi guys, how are you?
I'm okay. I'm fine. Tingkana.
How about you? How are you? How are you guys?
I'm fine.
I'm fine. How about you? Konnichiwa minasan. Watashi wa namae wa. How about you? How are you?
Namaste. Watashi no mae wa.
Tapos mamaya we're gonna eat Hi guys, we are here in room. Some classmates Hi guys, we are here at classroom. Some my classmates are doing their activity in FOLA. How are you? So many classmates in here. Hi guys, let's eat. We are here in canteen. Sama ka mga klase ko.
Bakit English yun lang din?
Pwede yan.
Hindi ka pinapanood, pre.
Hindi niya pinanood yun. Tangin na to, nagsalita tuloy ako.
Bakit ito eh? 4 minutes lang tapos naging na 8 minutes na.
Kain guys.
Love yarn.
Next, pupunta kami sa Yusuts.
Natakot ka. Data. Love yarn.
Vlog lang pre. Buti pa yung vlog, yung update. Sa kanya wala nang update.
Yun at Jen.
Gago.
Wala nang update din dyan. Ibadin mo, hindi na. I will do my best. Itya na yan, pero ano na yun?
Ewan ko ba dyan sa taong yan? Paris oh. Paris. So guys, we are done to eat. We're going to practice in PE. Finals na yun. See you guys.